Today we are going to talk about arithmetic progression. It's the relationship of adding up numbers and minus numbers. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. To know the difference, we use 4 minus 2, we get 2. So we add up 2, add another 2, add another 2, so you get the difference of 2. Now, example 2. We have 5, 10, 15, and 20. To know the difference, we use 10 minus 5. We get 5. 15 minus 10, get 5. And another 5. So the relationship between the numbers is actually 5. Now let's look at another one with negative. We have example 3, 2, 0, negative 2, and negative 4. We find the difference by 0 minus 2, you get negative 2, and negative 2, and negative 2. So the relationship between the numbers is actually negative 2. Remember that when you're finding the difference, you are using the numbers from the back to minus the front. So you're doing like this. It is very important from the back to the front. We use D to represent difference. Now let's look at the formula of arithmetic progression. We have AN equals A plus N minus 1 multiplied by D. N represents the order, and N can be 1, 2, 3, and so on. D is actually the difference, and A is the first number in the sequence. Now let's use an example to explain these symbols. We have example 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. A is 2, the first number, and the difference is 4 minus 2, you get 2. So D is actually 2, or you can write it as D equals 4 minus 2, you get 2 for the working. Now let's work out a question. We have question 1. Find A3 from example 1. So we are using back the formula given AN equals A plus N minus 1 multiplied by D. We have N as 3 from the question, and A is 2. So N is actually 3 from the question, 3 minus 1 multiplied by D. This is 2, so you multiply by 2. So we have the answer 6. So we are checking back the answer whether it's correct or not. We have A1 is 2, A2 is 4, and A3 is 6. So the answer is correct from the question. Now let's try another one. Question 2. Given A2 is 6, A3 is 9, find A and D. So the sequence will be A1, A2, and A3. We do not know A1, so we will let A1 be X. And from the question, we know A2 is 6, so it's 6. A3 is 9. So the differences is 9 minus 6, you get 3. Using back the formula, A plus N minus 1 multiplied by D. We have A 3 as 9 and A2 as 6. You can use either one to sub the formula. I'm using A3. So A plus N is 3. So it's 3 minus 1. D is 3. So multiply by 3. And A is actually 9 from the question. 9 equal A plus 2 multiplied by 3. So we have A equal 9 minus 6. And A is actually 3. So looking back to the question, differences of 9 and 6 is 3. So 6 and x should be 3. So 6 minus 3, you get 3. So this is correct from the answer. So 3. A is actually 3 and x is 3 because A1 is x, so x is 3. So that's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you, and I hope you like it.